a spelling template for adults, printed on an A4 sheet. So start by writing the date at the top, and then write the words that you would like to learn in a list here. So the first word I'm going to put down is sincerely. The second word I'm going to put down is epidermis. Because flower, and the other kind of flower. It's a homophone, both. So sincerely, first word. I'll have a look at the first word and think, what do I notice about that word? Okay, I notice it starts with sin, sincerely. So have a look at the word. I am going to say the word sincerely. I'm going to cover the word, and I'm just going to try to write it down. I've got it almost correct. I always check it with the original. So sin, I've got that bit right. Oh, I've used an S instead of a C. So sincerely. So look again at the original. Imagine the word as much as I can. Cover the word and write it down again. Sincerely. Check at the original. Yes, I got it right that time. And do it again, looking at the original, covering, writing, and checking. Again, looking. And now I'm going to run through the others, practice the others for today. Epidermis and epidermis. If I don't know the meaning of it, I've got a little gap down here. Note word meanings if necessary. So epidermis. Epidermis, the outermost layer of the 3 layers of skin. Epidermis. Okay, so now I've got word meaning for the one I need to know. I'm going to practice epidermis. Epidermis. Because some of us know that as big elephants can always understand small elephants, but if you don't, you can just look at the original. Because flower in a packet, and flower in the garden. Flower. That was day 1. So on day 1 I've managed to copy all of those down. I'll do the same again for another 5 days, and hopefully these spellings will now be in my long-term memory. Thank you very much.